Dear client, this is Melody, equity analyst at Genghis Capital. Here are some of our observations of market activities last week. First, bears dominated the market as seen through the indices. The Nairobi All Share Index declined by 2.2% week on week to close at 164.77 points, while the NSE 20 Share Index shed 40 basis points week on week to close at 1886.35 points. Turnover was very strong, surging 138.7% week on week to 5.96 billion shillings, driven by Safaricom, which turned over 4.2 billion in the week, or 70% of total turnover. Volume-wise, Safaricom dominated, trading 112.7 million shares, while banking stocks clocked 43.7 million shares in the week. In terms of price performance, Nairobi Business Ventures was the top performer, rising 49.1% week on week to close the week at 5 shillings and 68 cents. Liberty, on the other hand, was the worst performer of the week, losing 8.9% week on week to close at 8 shillings and 85 cents. Foreign investors accounted for 49.6% of the week's turnover. They printed a net outflow position of 2.6 billion shillings with outsized exits on Safaricom. They also exited EABL and StanChart while accumulating on Equity Group and KCB. During the week, 5 banks, namely ABSA, NCBA, DTB, and HF Group, released their Q3 results. Only ABSA reacted positively to the results, gaining 4.3% week on week. Fixed income segment, market turnover surged 73.7% week on week to 18.4 billion as investors positioned themselves for the upcoming December primary bond auction. Market activity was dominated mainly by the infrastructure bonds. There was also activity on the longer end of the yield curve. In the T-bill section, performance declined to 64.55% from 108.64% the week prior. The total bids received came in at 15.5 billion shillings, with 13 billion shillings accepted. Our equity trading idea for the week is a speculative buy on Safaricom. We believe that the market's reaction to developments in Ethiopia has created an entry point. For the fixed income segment, we still see a lot of activity around the IFB1 2021-21, a 21-year infrastructure bond. We see bid/offers at 12.40% in the coming week. There are no major corporate actions this week. However, we await Q3 results from I&M Holdings that is due on Tuesday. If you do have any questions or seek further clarifications, kindly drop us an email on research@genghis-capital.com. Happy investing.